Hello and very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can install themes and plugin on Omeka Classic. So let us start. At the very first step, we are going to install themes and we need to go at the temp directory cd and the temp directory, that is temporary directory. So there we need to use wget command. So I just use wget command and the theme. So to have the theme, you need to visit Omeka website. There you can see, Omeka Classic website, and there you can see themes, and there are multiple themes available. What theme you want to select, so you can select. Like, let me select. Yes, this one. So I just select this one, and I need to copy the link address, and after wget I can paste the link address, and I can copy the theme name here. Okay, let me update my guide, and the zip folder name also copy here after unzip command, so we can easily unzip. Okay, now so let me copy, and then we download the theme as a zip folder. So here we have downloaded, and now let us unzip the folder. You can see the name of the folder here. Unzip and the folder name, the zip folder name. So it's unzipped now. You need to write ls to check the directory, the temporary directory for the folder name. So here we have the folder name that we need to move at the step number 4. We need to move the folder name, the folder, to the theme, actually theme directory. You can see it's www html omeka and the themes. So we need to move the theme folder name, the theme folder, to the themes directory. So it's now moved, and we need to grant permission to that folder within the themes directory. So I just change the folder name here. And I just copy the permission. Okay. Now you can see in appearance we have this theme. So we can use this theme, and let me refresh this so you can see. Now we do not have any collection or the item. That's why it's look empty. But when we will catalog some collection here, we will enter the data, so you will see the complete theme. So you can change the logo here, and you can customize according to your need. Header image, you can change the home page, and number of features available. So you can see as per your need, you can customize the theme further. And there's navigation. If you don't want any navigation, or you want to set the navigation setting, and there is actually the image setting, so you can actually reset the size of the image. Okay, so we have these themes available. Okay, I found one theme is very excited on Omeka Classic, so let me have that theme as well. I mean, you can see this is freedom theme, okay, and this one, yes, the big picture. So it will convert the thumbnail into big pictures. So let me have this theme. Again, we need to copy the download, I mean the link address. So just copy the link address and in temp directory after wget. So I just write wget and copy the address, and it will download the folder, the zip folder. So you can see the name of the zip folder, and we need to unzip that folder. So I just copy the link here first, and okay, the folder, zip folder name here, and let me unzip this. But before this, we need to check the folder name again. So at step 4, we need to check the folder name by writing ls. So to have the directory, we can check the directory there, and we can check the folder name, not the name. I mean, we can check the folder name there. Okay. After unzip the theme folder, so let us unzip first. So after unzip, we need to use ls, and we can see what available in this folder. I mean the temp folder. So our theme is actually as a big picture. I mean the name of the folder that we have to move. The big picture will move to the themes directory. Okay, it's done now, and we need to grant the permission to the folder. Okay, that's it. Now let's clear this and let's see the theme in the appearance. So you will find the theme there, and you can see this is use this theme, and you can further configure this as per your need. Initially we do not have any items, so you can see it's 0 item, but it looks very clean and clear, and I'll show you some in some later video. Okay, let's move forward. This is against the navigation and the settings, the picture settings, so you can work around this, and let me know your feedback in the comment sections, or you can share your customization. So I moved to the foundation theme right now. This is foundation theme that we have already installed. I mean, I have already installed. So okay, now after the themes, let us move to plugins, and again we need to go in the temporary directory. and you can see plugins are also available here, and there are number of plugins. I have downloaded few plugins, so I am looking for some good plugin here. Okay, let me browse. This one is quite good, CSV import, so you can import in batch. Okay, element types, so you can actually, this is also important, but hide elements. Okay, this is some look goods. Okay, we can hide the metadata elements, unrequired field we can hide through this plugin. So copy the link and paste here after wget, and again we need to copy the zip folder name. Okay, to unzip this, and of course at step number 4 we need to check the temp directory to find the folder name that we need to move to the plugins directory. By directory I mean folder. Okay, now let us download the theme first to plugin first, and unzip the plugin, and ls to check the temp directory. So there you can see the plugin as hide element. We need to move that hide elements, this one. We use sudo move command mv to move this folder to the plugin directory. In var we have www, and then we have html, and then we have omega. In omega folder we have plugins folder. So now it's move, and we need to grant permission to this folder in plugins directory, and these two commands used to grant permission. Okay, now we granted permission, and we can enable plugins in admin mode. So let's see the admin dashboard, and there we have plugins. You can see the hide elements plugin, and we can install this plugin, and you can see what element we do not need in the metadata section, so we can actually hide. I mean, in invisibility, what you can see super admin, there are multiple users. So if let's suppose I don't want, I mean, this is actually to add an item. So if you do not need any of the elements, so you can hide that. HTML5 is also a good plugin. Batch uploader, this is also a good plugin, so you can actually have this plugin. Copy, and this is the similar way. You need to use wget command. So I'm repeating so you can remember this. After wget, add the link and unzip. Okay, so there you need to move the folder, but before you move you need to set the ls command. You need to use the ls command. So let us download first. So we are already in temp directory, and let me clear, and here we have downloaded. Now unzip that plugin. Maybe I mix with the plugin and theme. Okay. So here we have downloaded. Now ls to check the plugin name. You can see batch upload. We need to remove zip here, and let us move this to plugin directory and grant the permission to batch upload. Okay, now it's done. Let us open the plugin here, and we can see batch upload. Yes, at the top. We can install this, and if we do not need, we can deactivate, we can activate, we can uninstall. It's very flexible. So you can start job mapping. So you can create a new mapping template, and but the one theme I also like is a CSV import. So you can import in CSV format. So here we have 6 plugins, 1 user, 1 theme, and 0 items, 0 collection, 0 tags. Okay, so thank you very much for watching Raflims. This is Farooq Hossain. Keep watching Raflims and like this video, share this video, and take care yourself. And of course, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to boycott Israel and Israeli products. Keep watching Raflims. Thank you once again.